Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smartphones, and specifically, we'll be taking a closer look at the impressive Vivo T2 5G. As technology enthusiasts, we always love exploring the latest and greatest devices, and this phone definitely caught our attention. So, let's jump right in and discover what makes the Vivo T2 5G a standout in the ever-evolving smartphone market. Vivo T2 5G Mobile was launched on the 11th of April 2023. The phone comes with a 90Hz refresh rate 6.38-inch touchscreen display offering a resolution of 1080x2400 pixels. Vivo T2 5G is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor. It comes with 6GB, 8GB of RAM. The Vivo T2 5G runs Android 13 and is powered by a 4500 mAh battery. The Vivo T2 5G supports proprietary fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Vivo T2 5G on the rear packs a dual-camera setup featuring a 64-megapixel primary camera and a 2-megapixel camera. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It is a single front camera setup for selfies, featuring a 16-megapixel sensor. The Vivo T2 5G runs FunTouchOS 13, is based on Android 13 and packs 128GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded via microSD card up to 1000GB. The Vivo T2 5G is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, mobile that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM cards. The Vivo T2 5G measures 158.91 x 73.53 x 7.80mm, height x width x thickness, and weighs 170.00 grams. It was launched in Nitro Blaze and Velocity Wave colors. Connectivity options on the Vivo T2 5G include Wi-Fi, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C, 3G, 4G, with support for Band 40 used by some LTE networks in India, and 5G. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. To wrap it up, the Vivo T2 5G is a feature-packed smartphone that impresses on multiple fronts. Its sleek design, gorgeous display, and powerful performance make it a compelling choice for tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. The addition of 5G connectivity brings the future of mobile communication right to your fingertips, and the exceptional camera capabilities let you capture moments in stunning detail. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the Vivo T2 5G. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.